Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And we're here today with KhapitaL 3-piece. So in a bracket we say SQUEEZ as well, 3-piece. Excuse me, children rock one on the cover art. So you don't know, say KhapitaL probably a shoot off a Shano, probably I would say. This is probably a shoot off a Shano because we see him drop a couple song. Yeah, a Shano this, yeah. We see him drop a couple song. Shano reference him as something. I forgot what Shano call him. You know when I sang them. I can't remember if I called him small spratter or something like that. I can't remember exactly. Or small fry. Some shit like that. I can't remember exactly. Don't quote me on that. So we see the G and now I go shoot back off a Shano now, I suppose. So 3-piece KhapitaL. Alright? 3-piece KhapitaL. Let's jump in on here with the G. I say, let's go. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_words_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I be just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video.
Fire tick. We try them like a pussy if run the program uptown. All I read is with a one KhapitaL.
Yeah, every man I claim uptown, still in the dog. Shane say uptown, Coyote say uptown, Marco say uptown, Fully Bad say uptown. Want to downtown? Nobody now say downtown. Downtown feel left out. I want to go on downtown.
We try them like a pussy if run the program uptown. All I read is with a one KhapitaL. Common sense. Spain town. One up boss. I show that pussy run up and get one up fast. Be it, them just a go on like killer in a them place. The biggest waste such a top in a them face. Fake.
Ooh, we must say this a go like a killer in your place, brother. You're the biggest waste such a top in your face. Yo, you're not bad, brother.
I think. We try them like a pussy if run the program
Boss,
uptown.
I say you're not bad.
All I read is with a one KhapitaL. Common sense. Spain town. One up boss. I show that pussy run up and get one up fast. Be it, them just a go on like killer in a them place. The biggest waste such a top in a them face. Fake a them picture them frame. Send them in the fridge, man go dig a them grave. When 6:30 bin a piece of men straight up in a them.
When 6:30 get drowned in this too.
Them picture them frame. Send them in the fridge, man go dig a them grave. When 6:30 bin a piece of men straight up in a them twist and them braid. Him police friends send him come flip on him feel out them for this. Them must be sick in them brains.
Man, see your police friends send you this one personal. Your police friends send you come flip and you feel. You feel if you carry out the ups, the duty. You feel. Your police friends.
Them face fake them picture them frame. Send them in the fridge, man go dig a them grave. When 6:30 bin a piece of men straight up in a them twist and them braid. Him police friends send him come flip on him feel out them for this. Them must be sick in them brains. Start off the pump roll the thunder if on a father God I hit a send rain. Them blood I go drip this another drip on them chain some bat.
Them blood I go drip this another drip on them chain. Them blood I go run, blood I go drip. You see me? When the pump squeeze off, brother, thunder.
Start off the pump roll the thunder if on a father God I hit a send rain. Them blood I go drip this another drip on them chain. Some batty boy if you know my friend them full of fire sticker them name chip on in.
Some boy if you know some my friend them full of fire sticker them name. Jesus Christ.
I go drip this another drip on them chain. Some batty boy if you know my friend them full of fire sticker them name chip on insane and gyal a lick on them cane. But it's so hard them a freak out for lick up popularity fi maintain. Mount a secret them a fi keep for them fame.
Man say SOR, you know say Shane say SOR. SOR them free court, brother. For popularity and fame. The man say on a free court SOR.
Them chain some batty boy if you know my friend them full of fire sticker them name chip on insane and gyal a lick on them cane. But SOR them a freak out for lick up popularity fi maintain. Mount a secret them a fi keep for them fame.
Yo, meds when I say deep, meds him flow, meds him melody and everything. What you can hear Shane up on this dog. You can listen it. You can literally hear Shane right just so dog. I swear dog. The boss was a ghostwriter. For Shane of a real dog. Yo no capping. Listen to the man, bro.
But it's so hard, them a freak out for lick up popularity fi maintain. Mount a secret, them a fi keep for them fame. Them now go this with them afraid. When Marco roll up like a split for the key, them.
Them now go diss me, them afraid when Marco roll up. So, am I big up Marco?
The chip and insane and gyal a lick pan them cane. But it's so hard, them a freak out for lick up popularity fi maintain. Mount a secret, them a fi keep for them fame. Them now go diss me, them afraid when Marco roll up like a split for the key. Them get exposed like a pitney, them shame and that.
When Marco roll up like a split for the yo. Them get exposed like a pitney, them shame.
Them now go this with them afraid. When Marco roll up like a split for the key, them get exposed like a pitney, them shame and die the wickedest way. I try to stop the thing, my bings to the play, flint to the flame, the must think them a play. Pint time, squeeze, now they made part. I in a 3-piece where they made part, in a yes target cross.
In a 3-piece with them head part. Oh, so that's the reference to the song, 3-piece. In a 3-piece with them head with them head part.
Now they made part. I in a 3-piece where they made part, in a yes target cross. So mistake cross and a red cross, grave digging and dead yard when man squeeze. Now they made part. So they take box, so you break shot lister. Get cross, so mistake cross and a red cross, grave digging and dead yard when man squeeze. Now they made par. So they take box, so you break shot lister. Get cross, so mistake cross and a red cross, grave digging and dead yard when man. Lift up, I got over just so put down a mac with a matic and chopper. We got a dozen drum and a rocket. Watch it, ammunition active. Squeeze, now they made par. So they take box, so you break shot lister. Get cross, so mistake cross and a red cross, grave digging and dead yard when man. Lift up, I got over just so put down a mac with a matic and chopper. We got a dozen drum and a rocket. Watch it, ammunition active, a box with a stick and matches. Man strap for the bucket if it's a package that click, yeah, massive. Full of knock it, so pussy mouth, you shoulda lock it, no killer. You a chat is, you never dopey nobody know me, so when me dismiss you, don't piggy got it. One of the
nobody don't miss you, me dismiss you up and he got it. Yo, the one I tell you, so you're right now, I got him, I go send you to cause. Remember say nobody no got hell. Remember say them say wicked people got hell. No, remember say no wicked in a shame. That's what the GS say. The man say when they take your 3 pints, I hope I even you go, right, I got foot.
For the bucket if it's a package that click, yeah, massive. Full of knock it, so pussy mouth, you shoulda lock it, no killer. You a chat is, you never dopey nobody know me, so when me dismiss you, don't piggy got it. One of the bodies, Osama bin Mohammed. Yeah, you lock but on the bed, I go.
Osama bin Mohammed, one of the bodies. Why comparison?
One of the bodies, Osama bin Mohammed. Yeah, you lock but on the bed, I go brother, head out.
Yeah, you lock but on a brother. Yeah, you lock but on a bed, I go brother.
One of the bodies, Osama bin Mohammed. Yeah, you lock but on the bed, I go brother, head out. This don't feel like I never nothing, I no clever something. A brother go press each up, propeller button, hell out. Tell me that to the devil, them I go to make a few, make a couple, man, make figure, make a dozen. Yeah, I dopey man, I make where them I make a trouble, get a shovel, get them a grave, them blood, I make a puddle.
Man say yo, a dopey, him a make, and all them boy I make a trouble. You see how them a troublemaker while him a make dopey?
Doesn't a dopey man a make where them a make a trouble, get a shovel, get them a grave, them blood a make a puddle. Premeditated disgrace in them, but them death a sudden. Squeeze, now they made part. I in a 3-piece where they made part, in a yes target cross, so mistake cross and a red cross, grave digging and dead yard when man. Squeeze, now they made part. So they take box, so you break shot lister. Get cross, so mistake cross and a red cross, grave digging and dead yard. Them just a go on like killer in a them place, are the biggest waste, such a top in a them face, fake a them picture them frame. Send them in the fridge, man go dig a them grave. When they 6:30 me a piece of me straight up in a them twist and them braid. Them police friends and them come flip on them feel how them fit this, them must be sick in them brains. Start off the pump roll, the thunder if on a father God, I hit us and rain. Them blood go drip, this on the drip on them chain. Some batty boy if you know my friend, them full of fire, stick of them name chip and insane and girl a lick on them cane. But it's so hard, them a freak out for lick up popularity fi maintain. Mount a secret, them a fi keep for them fame. Them now go this me them afraid. When Marco roll up like a split for the key, them get exposed like a pitney, them shame and die the wickedest way. I try to stop the thing, my bings to the play, flint to the flame, them must see things them a play. People, anyone who see Shane now, just tell him have more confidence in himself. If you're going up, just do it brawling and done bad, man. Cause I see them a show some shit from run one corner part, run one place around us, you know. It no works.
The man say nah, confidence boy you said. The man say have some confidence boy you said, brother. The man say stop shit. The man say stop shit and fire shit. The man say be a shade, you shade, brother. Cause the man say you're afraid that, cause you know what I'm capable of. That's how the GS say shade, not me.
If you're going up, just do it brawling and done bad, man. Cause I see them a show some shit from run one corner part, run one place around us, you know. It no works so bad, man. Yeah, man. More confidence in yourself. Fire tick. Spain town sitting down.
Ooh. Man say have more confidence in yourself, dog. And stop shoot shoot sideways, brother. Yo, the man say, yo, you're afraid like several pussies, dog. The man say, you are several pussies, afraid. The man say, you can't shoot straight. You throw subs. Yo, Capital, look at yourself, dog. Yo, that youth are bad enough, bro. I'm bad enough, dog. So, I hope after the war and everything done and back in January now is a new year, I hope dancehall give this youth a listening ears, bro, cause the youth are him bad, him a chap lyrics. So him deserve him break in the music system, not the music. So I hope say you can give him a listening ears, brother, cause I will be here to give him a listening ears. Apart from all the bad man track, the member trap, I hope him drop some positive tracks, see me to where people can relate to see me, you see me? But yeah, big up yourself, KhapitaL. This is I'm gonna down. If you enjoyed that one, I want some more. Leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next time. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.